Vital Signs is a report, easy to read, short, formatted data about how our community is doing across 10 key issue areas, and we provide 5 to 6 data points per issue area so we can get a sense of how our community is doing. Vital initiatives are programs and services in the community initiated by those frontline service provider organizations that help address some of the key gaps that we've identified through Vital Signs so that we know that we're targeting key needs in our community through grant dollars.
Well, the Enroll by 6 program has been sponsored through the Mississauga Community Foundation as one of our partners, along with the Associated Youth Services of Peel. And it's a remarkable program in as much as we're trying to do something that is fundamental to the success of children and families in Peel, and that's improve their access to post-secondary education. There is a Canada Learning Bond Registered Education Savings Program fund that's available to low-income and even middle-income families that will provide resources for post-secondary education. Unfortunately, very few families, particularly lower-income families, are aware of this benefit, which is absolutely free. Research shows that kids who have a post-secondary horizon make some very different choices going through their adolescence, and we know that money works. Which is to say, kids who have an opportunity with even a few $1,000s to kick the door open in post-secondary education will attend. The Registered Education Savings Program pays almost $2,000 a child, retroactive to 2004 for all young people, and as I say, they can use it for any post-secondary education that they like. With a little bit of interest, we're looking at $4,000, which would be available to every child who's registered. In the region of Peel, there's about 32,000 kids at least, and that's a very conservative estimate, who are entitled to this benefit and not registered. And so what we've done, with support from the Mississauga Community Foundation, is brought together all the partners who have a role to play in children and family success here, and who understand the fundamental importance of providing a post-secondary educational opportunity for children. So everybody from the school systems to the libraries to the community centers to our transportation systems is involved in trying to sign up all the kids who are eligible and not enrolled. And then we hope to build a system here so that in the region of Peel, you can't move here, you can't start school, you can't leave the hospital with a newborn without getting some information about how to register your child for this important benefit. The trick here is simply to, first of all, catch up on all the families that we've missed, and then to build a system so that every kid in this region who has an opportunity to go to post-secondary education has some resources there to help them do it.